Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials: your Google account, an enabled YouTube channel, and the monetization option live. First, open YouTube Studio and go straight to monetization. Accept the partner program terms and confirm your channel meets thresholds. Once done, click Start on the Adsense link step and choose to create a new Adsense account or connect an existing one. Make sure the account uses the same Google account as YouTube to avoid conflicts when you proceed to verification. Now you're in the middle of the process. Choose whether to connect an existing Adsense account or create a new one. Pick the account tied to your YouTube Google login. Fill every required field precisely: address, payment profile, tax info, because mismatches cause delays. Verify your phone and any identity prompts, then submit. YouTube will show a pending connection and Adsense will review your account. Keep an eye on email for verification steps and additional requests during the review window. Finish by confirming the Adsense account status in YouTube Studio's monetization page. It should read Connected. Once connected, choose Add Formats, check payment thresholds, and monitor policy and copyright notices because violations can sever the link. If the connection doesn't appear, clear browser cookies or use an incognito window and repeat the linking flow. Make sure both accounts use the same Google identity. If problems persist, take screenshots of errors and contact Adsense support with your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.